Hello and welcome. My name is Caitlin. You are here at Sunflower Spirit Wellness, where your spirit blooms no matter the season. Thank you for joining today for your meditation. I'm so excited and happy that you're here. We are in the element of water still, creating fluidity to support a more powerful mindset in terms of allowing the good to come in and allowing what doesn't serve you to release out, allowing things to move more freely and working past holding on and getting stuck in your own way. All right, so today we are going to continue into that theme, and I'd like you to just let it be, let things come as they are, and embrace each moment for exactly what it is. So go ahead and come to your seat, sit nice and tall if you aren't already, and let's go ahead and get started. Take a few steadying breaths. Get out any extra movements, wiggles in your seat, in your body. And let's settle into your nice tall spine, your beautifully foundational seat, nice and grounded, nice and rooted into you and who you are. Take a slightly deeper breath in and exhale out as you wish, through your nose or your mouth. And again, big deep breath in. Exhale, release, and let it go. Allow your breath to become natural once again. Feel your body slowing down. Feel your body settling, simply existing here in this moment. Feel the energy in your feet becoming more still. The energy in your legs relaxing and simply being and existing. Feel your belly let go. Feel your back find ease while still supporting a powerfully upright, awake posture. Create a little more space in your shoulders. Feel them energetically and maybe even physically relax a little deeper into your posture, into this moment. And then allow your neck, your head, all the muscles in your face and in your jaw, allow them to just be. Consciously feel your body slow down. Take some time to just sit with that. Just be in that space. When you're able to consciously slow down and choose to simply sit with yourself, be in the moment, you'll start to see the wisdom that's within you already. When you utilize the concept of flushing away what doesn't serve you, releasing your thoughts, and only keeping what supports you in life, utilizing that water element to encourage more space in your brain and in your body and in your energy for what's already intuitively there. You find more wisdom beneath the surface of all of those thoughts that are just overthinking, that are worrying about things, that are trying to be perfect. You'll find so much depth in the stillness and in the silence of slowing down. Take another moment. Utilize your breath to stay grounded, to just breathe, to just be. You are worthy of this time, of this stillness, of the energy that's present when you are taken care of. You are worthy of finding and being with the wisdom that exists within you. The quieter you become, the more you hear. There's beauty in the fluidity, in allowing your thoughts to be washed away. And sometimes you need to embrace still waters so that you can understand the depth underneath the surface. You are wise. You are worthy. You are welcome to go at your own pace. Gently start to focus in on your breathing on this very moment. A nice gentle inhale and a nice gentle exhale. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. You're welcome to stay seated, to stay in your meditation. But when you're ready, be sure to come back to this moment and gently wiggle your fingers and glide your palms up to your heart. Bow into your heart energy to the stillness, to the depth within you. I honor you for being present, for sitting in stillness, for becoming quiet so you can hear more. I honor you and I honor your practice. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here, for joining me for this beautiful meditation, for the practice itself, for just being willing to sit still and embrace this time. It's truly amazing, and I'm so grateful to be of support to you. Like, comment something that you feel inspired by or have questions on. Comment something, anything. I would love to hear from you and chat with you in the comments about how this meditation supported you or maybe stirred things up for you and now you've got some more digging to do. Share with your friends, subscribe. I'd love to have you become part of what I am now calling the Sunflower Patch. Any people who are willing to be with me along this journey of offering up tools and resources to break out of mindset barriers, mindset struggles, out of perfectionism, out of overthinking, and truly become the you that you're meant to become. I'm grateful you're here, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.